So I used elements of the stitching, and then I pieced together all of these fabrics have been worn, and there's a history within that, even if it's my own or family or whoever's worn the pieces of material. And then I've used dyeing techniques and painting on fabric. Now the thing for me that is really most important is the wood that I've taken. So the wood comes from cotton that I've grown in my garden and the moringa trees. So at the bottom here we have the wood from the moringa trees, and I have wood burned and then applied other elements to them. But the cotton, also done some wood burning on that, and we know what the history of cotton is, and it's bringing all of these together and how the richness of our heritage prior to being enslaved and brought. In this piece kind of speaks to me. It's about strength, it's about, we've got elements of sculpture here that was wrapped in cloth and wrapped in rope, and then it's got metal on it as well. And it's again just how all of these elements come together and tell a story and have a meaning, and it means a lot to me to be able to combine these elements together, whereas at first as a mixed media artist, I love bringing together different elements and expressing myself in this way. So it was a piece of work that, because I'm a self-taught artist, I was able to not only be able to follow the rules, but break the rules and make it up as I went along, and show a bit of the things that I wanted to bring out into the work. So I was really pleased with this. It made this like a meditative piece as well, because of the time it took to do each individual stitch and put them all together, and then also the wood burning elements and then arranging them as sculptural pieces on the overall wall hanging. So this was a really special piece for me, because it stretched me and it made me come out of my comfort zone, but then also make it my own.